secret to our success, like we were talking about, we're really close. The more we're on top of each other and we hang out with each other and we're interacting, the better the business does. And we have enthusiasts here, so we're not lying when we say we like what we do and we're involved in the cars. And that's why I can't get anyone to do stuff, because if they don't like the car and they don't drive the car and they're not interested in the part, nothing's gonna happen. They'll just pretend to work or just poke around at stuff and nothing will come out. And I'll be like, damn it, and go back, right? But you can't force passion. It's that passion that drives the innovation and the parts. And so when someone has the car, these guys have the car, and they want that part, oh, you want to talk about something getting developed fast?
What's up, guys? Hey guys, Randy at ZZPerformance here.
Turbo Tim here, ZZPerformance.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
So you might be wondering what tools you'll need today. Let's go over it.
What's up, guys? Tyler B at ZZP. We got everybody out here today.
You know, I've seen these Sonics in the wild before, but I've never managed to get this close.
Justice for all. Yeah! Woo!
And anyway, that was the last time I let the Walmart greeter take my temperature. So anyway, that's how I ended up on an ostrich in the Saharan Desert.
What?
So that was the last time that I wanted to be in the basement with my second cousin Jimmy.
Don't ever go to the basement with your second cousin Jimmy.
So that's when I learned that you don't go inside the sandcastles that the kids build on the beach. They don't like that. So Saturday, that's when I learned that you never run from the cops on an electric bicycle. So anyway, that's how I figured out that my second uncle's cousin is Renee Zellweger. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right then. So anyways, like I was saying, back in the olden days, back when I was a young buck, one girl asked me to do welding roleplay once, and I don't know.
Been there, brother.
I gapped this guy so hard. He went home, got his grandma, came back. I gapped her too.
Damn, dog, where you get them real from?
She's a ripper.
She's a ripper.
What is this?
It's my custom downpipe.
Downpipe?
Absolutely.
What are you doing?
Pie cuts?
No.
We pull up in a 2003 Buick Regal. And there is a ZL1, a GTR, a Hellcat.
These knobs are the headphone output to me.
Oh.
Are they in order?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they do.
Bo's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna make Zoom proud. I'm gonna pull the car and I'm gonna do this, that, whatever.
Junk in the trunk. I'm not even gonna count this towards my calories because this
Water went down the lungs.
Bo gets back to me and he says, hey Zoom, I brought in the car and all the wires are 4 gauge, so it's good, man, it's good. And I'm like, well, leave it in there so I can look at it because, you know, I don't trust my guys. I don't trust anybody. You know, telling me this bull.
Happy Friday, everybody. Thanks for tuning into the ZZPerformance Power Hour, episode 106.
Yeah.
And we're bringing you 3800, this and that's.
Are you drinking flavored TV static again?
Past that, we have, I don't know, a bunch of bullshit that I don't know what I'm talking about at the moment.